Ding dong, Avon calling. Hi everyone, Tracey M here, your Avon lady, and today I'm bringing you another review. I don't know about you, but I'm middle-aged, and a lot has changed with makeup, even since I was young, and I have wanted to tackle something on that I've learned, not too recently. I mean, we had this around when I was younger, but now it's different. I'm going to talk about blenders today. No, not the thing that you make your cocktails with, but actually something that you put your makeup on with. When I was younger, we had these little teeny tiny sponges that were rectangle, and they soaked up a ton. I mean, a ton of makeup whenever we put it on. They weren't that effective, except for just like glooping it on. I felt maybe I was doing it wrong. It's a good possibility. But now they have all kinds of blenders. Different sizes, different shapes, different textures. And Avon carries blenders. Also, this is an Avon blender. Open it up here so you can see it is brand new. What a package. I love it. You can see it starts off very tiny. It's smaller than the palm of my hand. To begin with, feels kind of tough, but you can see it's squishy still, although you can feel there's some resistance to it. Now, what I like about Avon's blender is, number one, they have a tip. That means you can get into the creases really well. I have trouble, getting into the corners of my eyes, making sure that it's looks smooth and doesn't have a whole lot of makeup there, because it can goop up really bad. You also have the sides, so that's good when you're doing like this. And then if you really want to like smooth it out, you can use this bottom one to where you're just really bouncing off your skin. This is not how you use it at all. This is the beginning of it. So I'm going to put this in because this is brand new and I will be using it eventually. I already have one open that I've been using. All you do is run it under water and squeeze it. Just run it under water, squeeze it out, run it under water, squeeze it out, and it starts growing on you. It expands, and eventually it gets that big. You see the difference? Here. Now you can see a difference. I always make sure mine is moist. I don't have it sopping wet. I squeeze it out as good as I can. Make sure it's moist feeling. This helps not soak up as much product, and it also helps even it out. Just a tip. I mean, that's what I do. You can probably use it dry if you want to, but if you use it dry, it will begin to take up more product. Just heads up. So this is the Avon blender. You can find it in the catalog. If you don't see it in the catalog, you can ask me about it and I can order it for you. If I'm not your Avon lady and you still want one, ask them about it. I'm not afraid to share the love. So, I like this. I like it a lot. I find when I use a blender properly, using it, moist, that my makeup seems to smooth out easier. And then when I apply my concealer, any contour that I do, and then I just start, working it in and blending it out, it really feathers it out well, and it looks more polished, is the best way that I could tell you. And you want a polished look. So there's my 2 cents on Avon's blender. Although, you know, the other blender's good too. So when you are all dolled up, you can have this one real good juice. So, just wanted to share my thoughts. And actually show you the product and show you it goes from this to this. So, I mean, that's double. I would say that's double in size, because even, I know it's in the bag. Put it right in front of it. See how you can, there you go. You can still see it. It's definitely bigger. I like it. I use mine. You can tell. That's probably where I always have my finger. After a little while, it does get discolored. They do start tearing down. You see that little dimple there. So I'm probably about ready to chunk this. Avon does suggest that you change your sponges out every 3 months. And that's just really, really healthy because bacteria, no matter how much you keep it clean, will begin to get into it, and you just can't get it out, no matter how hard you try. So, how do I keep mine clean? Mine smells good because I use a bar of soap, and I happen to use a local Bean Tree soaps, and it's just, like I said, it's a bar of soap. Even with the makeup on, I put it underneath the water, get it wet. It gets nasty because it's getting on your hands. I know. Just have to deal with it. Then I take my cake, I get it water on it, and then I just scrub. And I'll turn it like that. And I'll go on this, and I'll even go on the point and just scrub it. And then I'll work it in like that. And then I run it underneath the water. And as I'm running the water, I'm still just like going like that and working it, making sure I'm getting the makeup out of it. And I do that until it runs clear. And that means I may have to wash it several times to get it totally clean. You can see it's starting to get discolored because I used it. So yeah, about 3 months is its life cycle. Mine's about at the end. You can tell it's starting to get little stains on it, starting to get dimples. So yeah, I'm right at the 3-month mark on this. So it's about time for me to permanently unleash this one. Toss this one away. So yeah, I give this 2 thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Do you use a blender? Have you been considering using a blender and just didn't know what it looked like and exactly what do you do with a blender? So let me know. Are there other products that you would like to see me review here with Avon? If it's something that I feel like I could use and everyone could benefit from, I'll be happy to check it out. And just in case anybody wants to know, today I have my primer on. I have my Avon foundation, my Avon mineral powder loose. I have my brows, my eyeliner, my mascara. I have some concealer on. I have some bronzing powder, and I have my Manitude on. So yes, I'm rocking my Avon. I am. And I like it. I think I like it. Anyway, so I hope you have a beauteous, fabulous day. And like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, that's fine. You can unlike it. Aren't my feelings too bad? Share if you like to share. Please subscribe to my channel and tell others about it if you don't mind also. Appreciate all the help I can get. Thank you. Have a beauteous day, everyone. Peace, love, and flowers.